everybody! It's currently 9:34 in the morning. Hi! Tingnan niyo naman yung bata namin. Naglalaro pa siya. And then Mother Dear is here. Say hi, Mom!
Hello, guys! I'm back!
So, actually, kagabi pa lang si Mother pinick up ni Franco. What time did you arrive, Mom? Last night?
Oh my God, 11:30 I think.
11:30 pa dyan. Hi! Are you okay? What is that? What are you doing?
Oh, give me that, please.
Give it to Lola. Give it back to Lola, dali. Oh, thank you. Oh, give it to me, please.
You're helping
Pick it
Lola.
up. Thank you, anak ko. Say thank you.
Lola.
Yay.
Mati, darling. What are you doing? How can I do work if you...
That's not puchi. That's dirty.
No,
That's yucky,
yeah,
huh?
Put that. Look.
Yucky.
Look. Come here, I'll show you. Look, I'm cleaning the...
I'm hungry. So, magbe-breakfast si Inday Joanna niyo. Actually, may camera akong dumating kahapon. So, tinatry out ko. Or if fan kayo ng DJI, so kaka-release lang nila ng DJI Osmo Nano. So, trinay ko siya kung maganda. Anyway, kung hindi naman siya maganda, dahil pwede naman isauli, no? Aww.
Love Cooper.
You love Cooper? You love Cooper? Ni? Ay, ni?
Ang sweet naman niya. Gusto niyo.
So, ayan. What's that? Where's Cooper's nose? Where's Cooper's nose? Where's Cooper's nose? No, where's Cooper's nose? And where's Cooper's hand? The hands. Yay! Where is Cooper's eyes? Cooper's eyes. Yay! Very good. I'm just gonna have egg. Gusto mo mag-breakfast, Mother, ng egg?
Ayaw ko, thank you. Meron pa akong egg dyan na out of date na yan na hindi ko. Boil ko na lang mamaya.
Yes. Yeah.
Don't make your toes anymore, girl. Oh, sweet naman.
Love niya si Cooper, mga Jai. Lagi niyang inaano si Cooper. Si Cooper naman nonchalant lang din siya. So, ito lang yung kinakain ko every morning. Egg or oats. Si Mother, kaya siya sexy kasi hindi siya nagbe-breakfast. Yan yung sekreto ni Mother.
Hindi ako mag-breakfast. Oh my God. Too much.
It's music time! Salt and pepper, and then, nilalagyan ko siya ng oregano. Kasi wala lang, nababanguhan ako dito sa oregano.
Hey!
Dali! Ang daldal na talaga ni Ella doon. So, ayan lang yung breakfast ko. 2 egg and then strawberry. Kain tayo mga Jai while si Ella Bell ay nasa good mood pa. Kasi kaninang umaga, sobrang aga niya nagising. Tapos wala siya sa mood. Iyak siya ng iyak. Kumain ka na kanina, Dong.
No, don't say yeah. Don't say
You say, excuse me.
Lola? Where are you?
Nagpapalambing sa kanyang lola.
Oh, ginawa na naman. Yeah. There is... What's that?
Where? What's that? Pear.
Now there.
Pear. Wow. Show them you can do your fruits and animals.
Ano in the floor, darling, please? No.
So, gusto niya yung mga magnetic na fruits and animals dyan sa ref namin. And then, memorize na yan lahat. Sobrang galing.
Strawberry?
Apple, very good. What's that? What's that?
Ako doon.
So, itong mga box, this is Auntie Pet's box, no? So, mga gamit ko ni Auntie Pet's dito na
Lahat.
mga.
Kaya nga, lagi nakakita doon kasi. Yan.
So, yung mga box na yan, kay Auntie Pet yan, nasa Pilipinas na kasi sila. Then, linisin ko lang to dito kasi ang daming mga box dito na nakatambak. Kagabi kasi nag-film kami ng isang collaboration na hindi namin natapos kasi si Ella Bell, Diyos ko dahi, nagtantrum ang bata. Ang dami namin mga project na kailangan tapusin, like collaboration project na mga video na gagawin. Kaso hindi namin siya matapos-tapos kasi ang busy namin, may trabaho ako, tapos sa gabi na namin siya nagagawa kasi si Franco, di ba, may work din. So, dalawang gabi na kami nag-attempt gawin yung video. And then si Ella Bell naman, nagtantrum siya. So, Dodong Franco's here.
That was me before I met Joanna, but now Joanna has changed me into a nice, mature, loving man, caring man who speaks like this.
Stinky! Oh, Cooper needs grooming very soon. So, yes, and then Franco picked up Mom last night because hindi nga namin matapos-tapos yung mga gawain namin. May dalawang video kami na kailangan i-submit. So, trinay namin. Ang daming box. Sunday.
Sunday?
Yeah. So, kailangan ko itong ligpitin dito na yung kalat namin kagabi. Anyway, magkape muna ako. So, liligpitin natin yung kalat dyan sa lamesa. Mga box. And yung mga tinupi kong damit. And then, naglaba si Dodong ng kanyang damit kagabi. First thing first, let's have coffee. Where are you going, Mom?
Upstairs. Bye.
Wala, I'm just asking.
I'll see you in the Philippines.
Tinan mo si Madero. So, pupunta kami ng Pilipinas pala. So, good news, we are going to the Philippines. Kasama si Mother Dear. And doon kami magpapasko ang mag-New Year. Kasi you booked already your off, no?
Book my leave. I've just woken, well, not just woken up, I haven't got ready yet. My hair's a mess.
It's already 9 in the morning. So, everything's still
Yeah, so
chaka.
I booked my holiday, so I'm off for 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have 3 weeks of relaxing, sorting some things out with Joanna because we have big plans ahead.
Yay! We have plans in the Philippines. Abangan nyo yan.
But we're still looking.
But we keep it secret for now.
Yeah,
We will announce it when we are in the Philippines.
Okay, let me just tell them. Cooper's getting married! Cooper's getting married! No, yeah, we're going to announce it in the Philippines.
Yeah, so we are going to spend our Christmas in the Philippines as well as New Year. So it's already booked ang kanyang off. And if you're going to ask me how I managed na magbakasyon ulit, nakaka-uwi ko lang ng work. So basically, I was on 2 years maternity leave, right? So I still have loads of annual leave left for the last 2 years, plus this year. So, pinupush ng aking manager na gamitin na kasi kung hindi ko siya gagamitin, it's either baka bayaran nila ako doon. But then, siyempre, ayaw mo nila magbayad, no? So, pinupush nila gamitin ko this year and ang dami kong annual leave left. So, probably if i-total ko, baka nga makapag-off pa ako ng 3 months if gagamitin ko lahat na ng annual leave.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's the reason why I managed to. Because some followers are actually asking like, how did you manage to go to holiday again, to go to the Philippines? You just get back from work. So, tingnan nyo naman yung sitwasyon ng bahay namin. Zay, ang gulo-gulo pa, Zay. Kailangan ko muna magkape before ako makapaglinis. So, that's why gustong-gusto ko pag andito si Mother Dear kasi nakaka-focus ako isang araw maglinis ng bahay na hindi umiiyak si Ella Bell. Kasi minsan nagtatantrum na talaga si Ella Bell din. Marunong magtantrum-tantrum. Tapos, dahil nagingipin si Ella Bell ngayon, so medyo clingy siya. Gusto niya nakabuhat palagi. Tapos yung mga gawain pa namin. Sobrang behind na namin sa mga collaboration na kailangan namin gagawin. So, we need Mama Chris for the next few days para masubmit na namin yung mga trabaho namin. First, let's make coffee. So, ito yung pinag-aawayan namin ni Dudong kasi ayoko nang may mga naka-display dito. But siya, nilalagay niya lang kung saan-saan. Hindi nakaka-aesthetic tingnan. Ako kasi gusto ko yung maayos ba. Itong isa day. Diyos ko. Hindi na lang ako mag-tell kasi kapoy magbalik-balik. Then, ito nga nilalagay ko dito sa aming. Yan. There you go. So, magkapi ko din para mahimas-masan ko dyan. Sing tayo sa katotohanan today na ang dami kong gagawin. Let's go! Buti na lang meron ako itong maliit na camera and I'm starting to like it actually. How do I live without you? Nabilo ko sa'yo ang natarama. Ito yung coffee machine na ininvest ko kasi sobrang addict kami magkape ni Franco. So, worth it mag-invest ng magandang coffee machine para hindi ka na bumili sa Starbucks o mga ganyan, mga coffee shop. Kasi mahal din yung coffee dito dahil like 3-4 pounds. Kape is life, lalo na pag nanay ako at lalo na't bumalik na ako sa aking trabaho. Pag nagtatrabaho ako, I think nakaka3-4 na kape ako sa isang araw. Ang laging hanap sa kapit araw. Ikaw ang nais ko sa tuwina. There you go. Sa aking mango! Yay!
What's this? What's that? What's this? Nana! What's this? What's this? What's this? I think she knows you're filming, innit?
Yeah. Si Ella Bell nahihiya siya pag mango.
What's this? Where's Daddy's kiss? Quick! Daddy's kiss, quick!
Where is Lola's teeth?
Where's Lola's teeth?
Where's Lola's teeth? You say, see you, Philippines. See you, Philippines.
Where's Daddy's nose? Where's Daddy's nose? Eliana? Eliana? Eliana! Oh no, just go! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Are you... Oh no, are you going to the Philippines again? Asus? Asus? You going to the Philippines again? Buti pa to si Ella Bell. I woke up like this. Ganyang itsura. Sana all. Can you say sana all? Sana all. Yeah. What's that, Nana? Is that banana? I want to eat.
Eliana,
Apples and banana.
who's your best friend? Is it Daddy?
Mommy. Oh. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's that? Ella. Very good. Who's this? Who's this? Ella.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Dada ka dyan.
Ella's fed up with me kissing her all the time.
Oh, kasi binubugbog mo ng kiss. So, ayan yung daddy niya. Laging kinikiss to. Kaya naiinis siya. What is that? Wow!
Bunny.
Huh?
Eliana, what's this? What's that?
Eh,
yeah.
very good. Did you child lock that, ano?
Hey?
Child lock it. Day, ganyan nakakulit si Ella Bell. So, hindi pa ako natapos magkape. Ako lang ba yung nagkakape na na nalalamig na yung kape? Ganyan ba? Chill-chill lang. I just want my time to be slow, relax, and don't think anything else. What? What are you gonna say?
Because you're sensitive sometimes. I don't know what mood you're in. I was going to say, I want that too, but then I got married.
It's funny.
Oh, God.
Did you get that joke?
Sorry.
Nah.
Watch 1, 2.
You like it?
Put eggshell in my mouth.
So, buti pa si Ella Bell ay nakaayos na at maganda na. Ang mama, wala, Zay. Wala pang ang hilamos. Oh, don't touch that one. Yay! Can you show them? Like, hello! Mommy fixed me na! Hello, everybody. Pretty? Pretty na? Pretty na ikaw? Shake, 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 shake. What's this? Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, glasses. There's Lola's glasses. Hmm? Lola's glasses. Areko? Nah, that's not mommy. That's Lola's one. What time is it? Okay, we need to cook lunch for Ella Bell. This is mommy's glasses. Look. Mommy's glasses. 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 Oh. Ba.
Pumasok si Frank dito?
No. Ewan ko, parang lumabas ata, mother.
Hawak siyang ano.
Ano yung, nilabas ba ni Franco yung salmon? Ha?
Hindi ata, I don't know.
This one. You're going to cook salmon for your lunch. Yay! Luto tayo ng salmon for Ella Bell's lunch. So, kakagising lang namin galing nap. Nag-nap din ako dyan. Nakatulog ako while pinapatulog ko si Ella Bell for her afternoon nap. And then, dumating yung order ko na para sa kanya. Mga damit ni Ella Bell na panglamig. Coat niya ay maliit na sa kanya. Kailangan kong mag-upgrade ng size. Look, Bob.
Oh, yeah.
Super cute. Pang ano na to? Pang 2 years old ang aking kinuha. Also, I got her some pambahay na mga ganito. Yan, tops na ganyan. So, ilang set ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set na siya dyan. And then, ito yung partner niya. Ayan. O, diba? Buti pa si Ella nakapag upgrade ng damit. So, ito yung another one is hindi ka natulog, ma'am?
Hindi.
Why?
Ayun ako. Hindi mo ginagawa ako.
And then another set. This is 3 packs. Ayan, 3 pieces na siya. Ayan, dahil taglamig na dito sa UK. So, kailangan ko ng mga ganito niyang damit. Ito yung partner niya, Zay. Ay, maganda. Mas maganda yung tela nito. Mas maganda yung tela nito, mother, kaysa nung ito. No?
Oo.
Kaysa ito. Isn't it? What do you think?
Panoorin.
No return. Ayan. Sobrang cute lang. Meron siyang parang ganyan sa loob para if malamig. Sukat natin to kay Ella Bell tong shoes. Kasi medyo nahihirapan akong hanapan siya ng shoes kasi yung paa niya matambok. Pati-pati yung paa ni Ella Bell. Franco, no? Ayan, cute. Naalala ko ito yung parang ganito yung sinuot niya nung umuwi kami ng Pilipinas. Are you ready? We are ready. So, doon na tayo mag-dinner, mother, no? May gusto si mother kainin. Ano yung gusto mong kainin doon, mama? Kebab?
Kebab!
Oo nga, masarap yung kebab din.
German kebab.
Kebab. Is it this one? Yeah. Yeah, may uli ako dito.
Tingnan mo mabuti. Baka hindi yan.
Yeah, hindi ko sinilipin. Okay, let's go!
Let's go. We have
Ready?
a full car.
Full house tayo today.
Oh, it's strange that I can't see myself in the camera.
Yeah, so this is the new camera, which is actually nice kasi very discreet, no? And if you are shy vlogger, I think this camera is for you. Ayan, andito na kami sa bahay ng kapatid. Si Ayo. Level si Ayo. Where's Flory?
Oh, is she? Oh, we're here.
Where's Flory?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
That's all right. We'll wait. I think we'll knock on the door again. All right.
Are they here?
Miss Flora should be home.
Oh, Flory only. How about Rochelle and Ted?
They come in.
Look. Hello! Finally, andito na kami sa mall. Bell, where's Lola's G? Ngi. Where's Lola's G? So, nagstay lang kami ng mga 1 hour and 30 minutes doon. And then, doon na din kumain si Ella Bell. Luto ng tita niya. So, kami ni Mother Dear. Are you still going to eat?
I'm hungry. Yeah. I've just eaten one meal, but I'm still hungry. So, my mother's really hungry.
I'm very hungry as well.
Really.
So, what time is it now?
It's 7 o'clock. But it's dark now because it's winter, so it's getting dark early. So it feels late, but it's actually not late.
I think it's probably 8 degrees, I feel like.
Yeah, it's about 8 degrees. I want to go to the Philippines right now because it's so cold.
It's very cold.
Look at my mother, look at her. She's always behind as well. She's always at the back. What are you going to eat then?
Kebab.
You two have been dreaming about that kebab for ages. Oh, Ileana's quiet, isn't she? You quiet, darling? Huh? Kiss Papa quick, kiss Papa.
Si Didong Franco ay nag-withdraw. Why do you need cash though?
In.
Ha? Oh, in.
Giving some allowance to you, my love.
Daddy's rich. Hello there, princess ko. Morning. Are we going to eat first? Because I'm very hungry. Sobrang gutom ko na, dahil hindi pa naman ako masyadong kumain ng lunch. So, I really need to eat. Are you okay, princess? You okay? Ella Bell? Are you okay? Are you full now? And ito yung shoes na dumating kanina na order ko sa online. Looks good. You look like little fashionista. Wow. So, ito yung favorite namin ni Mother. Kebab. Kain tayo. Why?
Said to me, say, Mom, take this.
I think she put something in my bag.
Yeah, in your bag. Really?
Cheers. So, buti na lang kumain na si Ella Bell. So, kami na lang ni Mother at ni Frank kumakain.